Lazy Man Prepper here. Today I'm going to do a review on Custom Leather Company's 5-pocket tool pouch. So I got this as an accessory pouch to go on my new Cold Steel Ka-Bar Tanto tipped fixed blade knife that's coming. I don't have that yet. I just want to do a quick review on just the bag. Let's get it out of the package. This measures 3 inches wide, about 6 inches tall, and all puffed out about 2.5 inches at its widest point, pulled apart. It has a belt clip on the back, steel belt clip. It has the belt loop that runs so you can store it this way, and it has a belt loop so you can store it horizontally. The side has a nylon webbing that I've stuck my ferro rod in there. I'm not going to keep it there, it's just for demonstration purposes. The flap is Velcro, quite a large flap, so you could get some pretty tall tools in there. It has a plastic swivel. It has a plastic swivel snap clip. It has a square pocket in the front. It has two, no, you're not going to go in there. There you go. It has 2 pockets behind that are tight on my ferro rod. Oh, come on out. Well, that might stay in there for the duration of this video here. There we go. So it has 2 round pockets here, and then it has a larger padded compartment in the back that is held, has elastic behind it. So like I say, this was just a quick review of the bag itself. This will be attached to my Ka-Bar knife sheath when I get that, and we're going to stuff it full of survival gear. So hope you enjoyed that. I'm happy with it. I think this again was $8 on Amazon, and a lot of pockets. I got it because it's the right size. It's the right width, hopefully, because I haven't got the knife yet, but it's the right width for the Ka-Bar knife sheath. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like and post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Now would be a good time to click subscribe if you haven't already. That's the best way to get my latest videos. Check out my channel too. I have a lot more videos there. This is Lazy Man Prepper, out. Boom. How easy was that? Are all about getting back or surviving different situations. There's Cody's, and there's mine. Lazy Man Prepper, out.